So, you're looking to get support. You're probably doing the P90X program or one of the Beachbody programs, and you're looking online to find out whether or not you need a coach. Well, guess what? You don't need a coach. You know why you don't need a coach? Because Beachbody has done a great job with packaging everything in one place. You have the nutrition guide, you have the workout guide, you have the DVDs, you have the whole system in place. All you got to do is push play and follow the guide. But here's something you should know. What keeps you going? You can do this program for 30, 60, 90, whatever program you purchase, and you can go through it on your own. But what keeps that drive? What keeps you motivated? What keeps you pushing play every day? Do you have a strong reason? If your goal is to lose 30, 40 pounds, what happens after you lose 30, 40 pounds? Are you going to go back to your old habits and start gaining those 30, 40 pounds? Or are you going to maintain a good lifestyle and keep those 30 to 40 pounds off of your body and lead a good, healthy lifestyle? When I started my P90X journey, I was all by myself. I had no idea. I had no idea where to go for support. I didn't know where to ask questions, who to ask questions, who was doing this program. And I started going online and looking for support for people who have already done this program, and I found my coach. I was amazed with his results. In 90 days, what he had achieved, some people take over a year to do that. I wanted to do what he did. I started plugging in. I started asking him questions, and he started helping me. And it did not cost me anything. It was all free. He helped me with my 90 days. He helped me with nutrition. He helped me with motivation. He helped me with substituting for the next P90X round. He helped me find out about more workout programs. He told me how much variety is important. So many things I learned from him. And that's what it's exactly about. Having a coach is not a necessity. If you can do it by yourself, by all means do it. But having a coach will ensure that you get there in the best way possible. It's going to maximize your efforts. You're already spending those 24 hours. You're planning for your nutrition. You're going and eating out with your family. You're going on vacation. Sometimes you're on the road. You have an overnight shift. You're already cranking the workouts and giving it all. You have a family to support. All these things are already taking place. You already spending your 24 hours. And then suddenly, one of the days, you travel for a week and you don't know how to carry your weights, right? That's when you ask your coach, "Coach, what can I do? Tell me, I'm traveling. What workouts can I substitute for this one? What can I carry with me? How do I plan my nutrition on the road?" I want to tell you something today. This 30, 60 or 90 days is not the end of the journey. It's a new chapter in your life. You will realize after 90 days that this is just the beginning. 90 days are over, your journey is done. No. You will be surprised with yourself and how much better you are today than you were 90 days ago. And I guarantee you will take this up as an opportunity to lead a healthier, better lifestyle. Be a good example to your family, to your friends, to everyone that you know. And this is going to be a life-changing experience for you for sure. Number one, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. So what do you got to lose? Second thing, a support system, someone to guide you, someone to motivate you. It could be your wife, it could be your parent, it could be your child, it could be your father, it could be your mother, it could be your friend, it could be your colleague, it could be a co-worker. Someone that supports you, get through with your journey, encourages you every day, keeps your nutrition in check. When you hold somebody accountable to keep you accountable, that's where you see results. And that's exactly what I'm trying to tell you today. You don't need a coach, but having a coach can get you there in the best way possible. You will be able to maximize your results. You already purchased the P90X program or any other program for that matter. You've already made that investment. Now it's up to you how you maximize your investment. Having a coach will make sure you maximize your investment. Okay, let me make this clear. I'm not saying this for you to sign me up as your coach. You can go online, you can go to YouTube, you can go to Google. There are a lot of coaches out there, and you can find someone that fits your needs, someone that can help you get to where you want. It's about you. You have the choice to select, exercise that choice, make a good decision. And don't worry if you've made the wrong decision, if you feel that your coach is not good enough, switch. It's very simple. You have the choice as a consumer, as a customer, to go through this program with whoever you feel comfortable with. If you feel comfortable with me, sign me up. If you don't feel comfortable with me, that's fine also. Go ahead and get yourself the best results possible. Look, the system is already there for you. All you got to do is plug in. Once you plug in, things will fall in place. You have the workout guides, you have the DVDs, you have the nutrition guide, you have everything that you need to get you to where you want to be. 30, 60, 90, 180, 360 days from now, you know how to get there. Now you have to do it. It's entirely up to you. So, your question to me is, do I need a coach? No, you don't need a coach. But should you have one? Absolutely. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and God bless.